and then take the fan cover off. And take these off. They're a bit fiddly, but they'll come off eventually. Just give them a wiggle. Right, so once you've taken the DVD drive out, put it aside. Right, now, if you see, there's the fan there, so you need to unplug the fan cable. It just comes out like that. Now I've got to move the motherboard out of the metal casing. Oh, but first, before we do that, I've got to take off this little white thing on there, which just clips off like that, and then take off this, which is called the RF modulator. Basically it's the on button, and for that we need the Torx screwdriver. Right, so take all these 3 screws out. Should come out easily, like they have just done right now. Really easy. Okay, right. And then that should just unplug from the actual motherboard there, like that, and just put that aside. Just try not to ruin it. Right, now the motherboard should just slide out of the casing now. Yeah. Yeah. Right. It should just slide out. There. And let's just slide out like that. Okay. Right, now all we need now is the motherboard. There. So if we put that down there. Right. Now what we need to do now is take these heatsinks off. Now they're only attached in 4 places through the X clamps at the back, and they're the things that we have to take off to get these heatsinks off. So if you turn it upside down, be really careful with them. Now to get the X clamps off, it can be seems a bit fiddly. So what I'm going to use to get these off is a flathead screwdriver. Now you could use a hook, which would be easier, but unfortunately I ain't got a hook with me, so yeah. So just try and be careful not to break anything, and prise the X clamps off. Okay. I've given him a dead leg. Worse than this. I just did. Oh, that still hurts. Oh, got that. Oh. Don't do it then. Right, there's one of them. I'll speed this up. And there's the other one. Sometimes these just come off, but we might need, yeah, we'll just have to. It comes off like that. there's the first Ninja X clamp. Okay. Right, whoa, so that's the first heatsink off. There. And put that to the side for the minute. Now for the next X clamp. If just like that. That's the first one. That's a little bit too tight. This is regarding the scupper. Xbox is useless. They're weird. Smell. Alright, that's the last X clamp off. That, if you turn that around, and this should just come out. Like that. And there's the other heatsink. Nice. Okay, now there's your problem. As you can see there, on the CPU and the GPU, there's absolutely, it's caked in thermal paste. So what the best thing to do to get all this off is basically get something quite hard but flat, right, and then just scrape the excess off the sides in there, and just put it to the side on a piece of paper or something. Right, so I've got surgical spirit, and I think there are better things to do it with, but I found this is good. And also some cotton wool buds seem to work well. You just dip them in and scrub them off. And you need to get the CPU and the GPU amazingly clean. You've got to be able to see your face in them for them to be properly working. So just pour a bit of surgical spirit in the lid. And dip this in. Right, this may take a while. So, just got to scrub all this thermal paste off.